Hey y'all, I am in Tokyo, Japan, and today I'm going to be converting my US dollars to Japanese yen using the Smart Money Exchange ATM. So let's get started, and first of all, you can see on screen there are all of the currencies that you can exchange, and it also shows the current rate, exchange rates. So I'm going to be doing US dollars. You can also agree to the terms and conditions, and then you also have the option to enter a coupon QR code so you can get more exchange rates, like a better deal. So you can find it online. I didn't find one sadly, so I'm gonna just click no. And here it says that you need to one by one at a time, put in your banknotes. So as you can see, I'm putting in the US dollars one by one, just like this. So you can see the ATM machine is taking it in just like this. And then on screen, it's going to show the exchange rates on what it is converting to what you have put already. So you can see $80 is 10,870, just like that. And now these smart exchange rate machines are spread across. You can find it everywhere, you're walking down the streets, in 7-Elevens, in various different types of malls and shopping complexes everywhere. So you can find these anywhere. It's really convenient, airports, train stations, you name it. So I really like this. You can just at the spot, you can exchange your money to whatever, to the Japanese yen, so you can spend it. Alright, and I'm basically done here. Just press payment and it will print out a receipt for me showing all the details of what I've inputted and the output. And you can see from converting 400 US dollars is 54,370 Japanese yen. So it will come down here just like this. Wow, pretty nice and quick. And the banknotes are actually really good quality. It's like fresh, just freshly printed or something. It's actually really good. And you can see I got a couple of 10,000s, a couple of thousands, and I also got some coins too. So pretty nice and convenient exchange rate machine. You can also change the language on the top too. So if you don't know English, then you can convert to something else too. But yeah, that is basically it on how to exchange money. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Japan tour videos.